Welcome to ViewMate Professional, the advanced CAM solution designed for engineers who need precision, automation, and complete control over their PCB manufacturing data. If you already know ViewMate Essentials, think of ViewMate Professional as the next step. The combined power of ViewMate Pro and CAM Master in one software, PCB Panelizer. ViewMate Professional includes a full Panelizer module, giving you the ability to go from a single PCB design to fully optimized fabrication panels, all inside one environment. Easily array your designs and customize mouse bites or V-scoring. Add fiducials and customize rails. Whether you're preparing a simple 2-up panel or a complex nested array, the Panelizer delivers accuracy, speed, and consistency. Polygon Tools. The Polygon Tools in ViewMate Professional are engineered to handle even the most complex copper structures. Convert any region to polygons, edit outlines using sophisticated shape tools, and convert them back with perfect fidelity. Reduce dense data fills into the simplest possible polygon sets, often shrinking poorly drawn geometry by a factor of 100 or more. From copper plane cleanup to advanced shape editing, these tools give you full control over intricate geometry. NC Routing Tools. ViewMate Professional also includes a powerful NC routing tool set, perfect for creating complex cutouts, slots, and routing patterns for fabrication. Create mouse bites, contour routes, and custom cutouts with ease. Automatically convert trace geometry into routable toolpaths and apply compensation. Even smooth irregular paths using advanced chord-to-arc algorithms for cleaner, more manufacturable routing data. Whether you're preparing final route files or editing incoming customer data, these tools will streamline your workflow. Scripting and macros. Bringing the power from CAM Master, the new ViewMate Professional includes full scripting and macro automation. Generate powerful scripts to automate repetitive CAM tasks, eliminate errors, and dramatically speed up daily workflows. Use the macro recorder to capture commands without writing any code. And if you want to take it one step further, use the macro editor to create complex routines. With ActiveX documentation included, you can extend ViewMate Professional far beyond its out-of-the-box capabilities. From batch processing to custom tooling, scripting gives you complete command over your CAM environment. ViewMate Professional gives you everything you need to prepare PCB data with accuracy, efficiency, and full manufacturing control, all in one professional-grade CAM platform. Experience the difference with ViewMate Professional.